Hello everybody, my name's Carter and this is my explanation of my infographic. My colors that I went with a light blue background as my primary color, and I went with a secondary color of yellow. These two work well together, and the light blue is soft on the eyes, which is what I wanted. I also went with spots of white here as well as in an image down here. It breaks it up so it's not always a continuous light blue, and it is almost like a third color for the infographic. My text, I wanted to be business-like and professional, since I wanted this to be taken seriously, and so that would maybe put me at a serif. However, I wanted this to be easy to read, so I went with a sans serif. But I went with a bigger sans serif, one that is straight up and down, that is not going to be italicized or bolded, and so I went with sans serif at 12-point font and 1.5 spacing to not only fit all my info in the allotted space, but to space it enough so that it isn't all smashed together, and which would just make it hard to read. For my color of text, I went with a neutral color of dark gray. This makes the font stand out on the background so you can read it, but again, it isn't harsh and it doesn't take away from the entire color scheme. I could have gone with a black, however I thought that would be too in your face and too harsh, and so I decided to go with a lighter color kind of to match the light blue, and went with kind of a darker gray. For my alignment, you'll notice that I have a left margin alignment. I feel this is very professional. For the graphs here, and also the text, as it comes down, it's left margin. I also broke up each section here, as you can see, with yellow lines. That is my secondary color. As well as it's just a good way of breaking up the light blue and the dark gray of the text. I also changed or alternated graphs from left to right, so here I have one on the left, here I have one on the right. I alternated back to the left. Again, that breaks up this chunk of text and this chunk of text. They're two different ideas, and so by having this graph illustrate this, it breaks it up from this text explaining this graph. So that is my infographic. I hope you enjoyed.